Students, 6th standard English term 1 unit 1 sea turtles. இந்த யூனிட்ல இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா book back exercises and answer the following எல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம். இதில் section 1 2 3 ன்னு இருக்கு. அதில் உள்ள book back exercises எல்லாத்தையுமே இப்போ வந்து பார்த்துடலாம். First one, have you seen turtles? Where do they live? What do you know about turtles? Why do you think the turtles in the picture have names such as leatherback and hawksbill? பார்க்கலாம். Answers. Have you seen turtles? Where do they live? Yes, I have seen turtles. They live in the sea. What do you know about turtles? Second question. Turtles live mainly in warm oceans. Their shell is made of horny plates. They swim with the help of flippers. They feed on marine plants and animals including jellyfish. Third question, what do you think the turtles in the picture have names such as leatherback and hawksbill? Answer, the back of the leatherback looks like leather. The bill of the hawksbill resembles the bill of a hawk. Now, section 1. Put tick for the correct and the wrong for the incorrect statements. First one, turtles are different from tortoises. True. So tick. Turtles are sea animals. True. There are 7 kinds of sea turtles in the world. Correct. Sea turtles are very small. Wrong. Turtles come ashore to lay eggs. Correct. Sea turtles come to rest on land. Wrong. Olive ridleys are the only sea turtles seen on Indian shores. Correct. Now, section 2. Are the statements right? Discuss with your partner and tick them if they are correct. Correct them if they are wrong. Share your answers in class. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay eggs. Correct. The eggs of an olive ridley are in the shape and size of a cricket ball. Wrong. Ridleys come to lay their eggs in the month of January. Tick. The turtles use their flippers and make a hollow for their nests. Tick. The hatchlings use a tiny egg tooth to come out of the eggs. Tick. Fill in the tables given below. Serial number. Problems faced by the hatchlings. Effect. Solution. First one, pollution. Survival of sea turtles becomes difficult. Reduce the usage of plastics. Second one, predators. Eggs and hatchlings are destroyed. Provide fences to keep off animals. Now, third one, இங்கே place இல்லாதனால இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதை எடுத்து கீழே எழுதியிருக்கேன் பாருங்கள். Human activities. Third one, eggs, hatchlings and turtles destroyed. இதோட ஆன்சர் கொஞ்சம் 2 லைன்ஸில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே எழுதிட்டு கீழே எழுதியிருக்கேன். Take steps to prevent pollution and construction in nesting sites. The nesting sites should be made protected site. Read and understand. Choose the correct answers. You may choose more than one answer if needed. Choose the correct answer தான். தேவைப்பட்ட ஒன்றுக்கு மேற்பட்ட ஆன்சர் கூட சரியாக இருந்தால் எடுத்துக்கங்கன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. First one, the dash is a biological relative of tortoises. Answer, sea turtle. In India's coastal waters, we can see a species of dash, sea turtles. Sea turtles come to the shore to dash, lay eggs. It is a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because they find it difficult to walk on sand. Fifth one, a turtle's flippers help it to dash, swim, dig a nest. Two answers, A and B. Sixth one, a sea turtle camouflages its nest by tossing sand on it to dash, hide its eggs from predators. Now vocabulary. Find any 5 words related to sea from the next sections 1 and 2. Okay. Write them below. Then use the words to frame sentences of your own. First, beach. We like to play in the sandy beach. Ocean. The ocean is bigger than the sea. Sand. Children like to play in the sand. Tide. The tide is very high. Ashore. The swimmers came ashore at 5. Swim. Fish and dolphins swim in the sea. Now fill in the blanks with words that convey the correct meaning of the sentences. Okay, first one, tiny hatchlings fall prey, prey, to many predators. Second one, sea turtles live their whole life in the sea, WHOLE. Third one, the turtles come ashore only during the night, NIGHT. The predators follow the scent, SCENT, of the turtles to eat their eggs. The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the sea, SEA. Now we have to use the clues and fill the boxes. Scene. First one, the word rhymes with scene. What will come? Scene, scene. Starts from the box number 1, SCENE. Second one is, this animal has 2 horns and a spotted coat. Deer, DEER. Third one is, this is a huge sea animal. Whale. Fourth one is, sounds like hair. Hair, HARE, hair na on male nartham. Shine brightly. Sun, SUN, sun. Sixth one is, rhymes with load. Load, road, ROAD. Now listening. Listen to the flash news, read the questions given below. Then listen to the flash news again and complete the responses. Okay, listen and complete. Questions, responses. What escaped from the zoo? Tiger, a monkey. A monkey. உங்க ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறாங்க, உங்கள் விருப்பம். When did it escape? 10 AM or 10 PM? 10 AM. How did it escape? Pushed out of the fence. Tick. What did the zookeeper do? Rang up the police. When should you call or dial 1-803-45778? When you see the monkey.